In this example for grade 10 students, sometimes you need to factor the expression here. So the question, I have 4 questions here. It says factor if possible. So we need to see if we have the common term. So based on the common term, we can group the other part of the equation. So x plus 8 is common between these two terms, so I can factor it, and the rest will be 3x plus 5. So that will be the answer. Next one, we have b plus 1, so I can factor b plus 1, and the other side will be a plus 9c. Here we have x minus 5 and x plus 5. So we don't have something that is common, and we have y here, and here we don't have y, so we cannot factor it. In this case, I have r plus u and r plus u, so then we can factor it, and we have 4s minus t. So that's factored completely.